Ciao, jewelry makers. I'm Joey Balestrieri, and I just received my order from Bargain Bead Box. And this was what I ordered when I got the email about their Black Friday sale. And I honestly don't remember what I ordered. And like I hear everyone saying, I wasn't going to order any beads on the sale this year because I don't need any beads. And yet here I am opening my order. I could not resist. I love to make a coffee or a glass of wine and do a little online shopping in my cozy slippers. And so here I am again. So I just thought I would do an unboxing and share with you what I found on their website. So let me take everything out. I am seeing some things that I'm thinking, oh, did I order that? Let me push everything aside. And I see the first thing that I want to start with. They always give you a little thank you when you place an order. And I absolutely love these little, they look to be pearls with a kind of splatter design on them. I love them. So beautiful. So I got these spacers, it looks like, and I literally cannot remember what I ordered. And these are so really beautiful. Let me open one. Actually, I'll open both of them and put them all in one bag. So when I get my orders of beads, I like to take my packing slip and find the item on the packing slip, and I use my scissors and just cut the strip apart, and I put that in the bag with the item, and then I can see how much I paid for it, and it sort of helps me if I need to know the price of something. But this is a beautiful little spacer. I love the shape and I love the embossed design on it. I think I have a piece of wire here. Let me take this so that I can't pick it up. Let me get this piece of wire here so I can show you what things look like a little bit easier. Aren't they beautiful? They're really cool. I love the shape. I think that is just beautiful. Take one of these and put it inside. And if you guys have seen any of my recent videos, you know that I've been experimenting with bar jewelry, and they had these spacer bars on their website, and they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whole spacer bars. And I just think the design possibilities with this will be amazing. I cannot wait to design with these and work with these. I have quite a few videos that I have recently done showing different things to do with minimalist bar jewelry and with the spacer bars. They just make the most interesting and unique connections. And speaking of bar jewelry, I love the gemstone beads for bar necklaces because gemstones can really stand alone. They're so beautiful, and they just make a lovely minimalist bar where you are just featuring the stone. And these are those micro faceted amethyst beads. Oh my, they are so beautiful. And I have a friend who loves amethyst, and I want to do a gift for her. So I do remember why I ordered those. And don't ask me why I got pink elephants, but other than the fact I just love these little pink check glass elephants. Look at the detail in this bead. That is just amazing. The hole goes from the back of him to the front of him, so he could sit on a bracelet and look like he was marching around your bracelet. He is so lovely and so detailed, and the wash over the bead even looks like the wrinkles of an elephant's skin. I mean, this is a really beautiful, very small, but very detailed bead. And I don't have a project in mind for it, but I just think they are beautiful. I love my pink elephants. And then this was, I guess they put several strands all in one bag because this is not a mix. I ordered some rondelles and some really small beads. And the reason that I got these is because you probably, if you've recently seen any of my videos, you've probably noticed that I've been doing some beaded beads, getting back into bead weaving a little bit, which I have not done for years. And so I'm not doing the big projects of bracelets and things like that, but the beads are so much fun. And I have a pattern in particular that I love that uses small rondelles. And so I got a few selections of colors here, but the two that are my favorites that are just standing out at me is this red rondelle bead with the facets. Oh my goodness, the color. I do not know if the camera is picking up how rich and beautiful that is, but also look at this pearlescent white rondelle bead. It looks like snow. It is so beautiful. I love this little selection of beads. I am going to put those in my tray where I have been pulling supplies for a beaded bead. And then, oh, these faceted barrel beads, I have purchased these before. I absolutely love this bead. I love the color. I love the faceting. I love the shape. This adds so much to any design. It just really looks beautiful. And I absolutely love this color of red with turquoise. It's so beautiful. And I think it looks great in the winter, but it just carries right into the bright colors of the summer as well. So I really just got a little bit more of those to add into my supplies. And then this is for a design that I want to do that is rather Victorian looking. And I just love the size and the beautiful thing about this tiny little bead. Let me get my fingers out of the way, is that it's drilled from side to side. It is, this wire is not going to go through, but you can see it is drilled from side to side. Oh, it did go through. It was just bent a little bit. Isn't that beautiful? The faceting is so precise and it goes to the most perfect point, the facets at the top and the bottom of the bead. I love those. So this was, I ordered this for an earring design, and it's a bit traditional and Victorian, this design. So I'll probably do a video on that when I start making them. And then I also, you probably noticed if you're a watcher of my videos that I really love magnetic clasps, and I've done quite a few designs with them. So you'll see as I go through my order that I got these really plain, lovely, simple magnetic clasps in a few colors. And this is just the perfect size for bracelets or minimalist necklaces and that kind of thing. I just love this color and I love the size and everything. So I got 4 of those, and I see my silver ones peeking out. Same thing in silver. I only got 2 because silver is not my favorite metal. I work with it and I like it, but it's not my favorite. Let's see. I thought I had some more of those. This is a toggle. Oh, I do. Here's the other color. I think I got antique copper and antique bronze and silver. I think I took everything that they offered. So that's the other color. And I also, in the way of clasps, got a toggle. I know that because it says toggle, but I can't remember what I ordered. So let's open this and see what. Oh, it's the gold. It's got the code toggle, but it's the gold little magnetic clasp. I'm so glad I got gold. That is my favorite. And then again, I was thinking about the beaded beads. So these little small fire polished faceted crystals, I think, are going to make their way into a beaded bead pattern. Aren't they beautiful? Little tiny pieces of art. Beads make me so happy. They just really do. I just love the colors and the shapes. Here again, this is something that when I did this order, I was working on some beaded beads and a video of a pattern that I sort of made up. And so I think this is beautiful, and I love the mix of these colors. Really, really lovely. That is beautiful. And then this is just like, I think I got this in a couple of colors. This is just like the amethyst microfaceted. I just love a beautiful gemstone for minimalist jewelry, whether it's a stick earring or a stick pendant or a bar that's going horizontally. You just can string them onto the wire and they speak for themselves, the beauty. And, you know, I will sometimes do a little seed bead or a little something to add a bit of sparkle, but they don't need much. They're just beautiful, just all on their own. And the microfaceting, again, I hope the camera is showing you what my eye is seeing, but there's just a glimmer and a shimmer just as they move. So, and I love that color. So happy to have added a couple of little microfaceted gemstones to my stash. And again, with the beaded beads in mind, I had a couple of these decorative head pins from their website, and I ordered a couple of more because I used these to string up my beaded beads that I've been doing, and it just adds so much beauty and dimension to an already intricate bead pattern. I just love it. So I picked up a couple of extras, and then that was the smaller size. And then look at this head pin. I mean, this is like a head pin on steroids. This is stunning. Look at this head pin. Isn't that gorgeous? I think one of my viewers who saw how I strung my large beaded bead that I made the Y necklace that's interchangeable with, I think she told me that she had gotten the flower head pins, but the really large ones. And I'm wondering if this is what she got. But oh my, they are gorgeous. That is stunning. I have to find a really special project for these gorgeous head pins. And then here is another mix of crystal rondelles. Look how gorgeous this color is. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my, I just love those. And there again, that as a beaded bead with the shimmer and the sparkle would just be stunning, and you wouldn't have to add in too much. Just do the pattern and the beads do all the work. Gorgeous. And, you know, I have to always have, I should be banned from buying pink beads, but no one can stop me. So, aren't these stunning? Look at the sparkle in these beads. Look at how they sparkle. I mean, that is like diamond sparkle. And so these are those beautiful faceted beryl beads, and they are just absolutely stunning. I mean, I love these for so many designs, but these make lovely little doll heads on the bookmarkers that I make with the little doll forms. And, you know, I've done a video on that too. But that is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I could just put them in a little dish. I might, in fact, do that. Just put them in a little dish and put them right here on my work table and just look at them for a while. They are gorgeous. Crystal 30.95. If any of you want those, they are just stunning. They take my breath away. And this was something that I think is new to the Beadbox Bargains website. They had this beautiful beaded chain already done, and I tried, they had several colors, and I remember when I placed the order that I tried to get a little bit of each color, but it was selling out really fast. So I think I was only able, this looks like is the only one that I was able to get. But I love a good beaded chain. It's very relaxing to make it on your own, and it's really fun if you have bead soup and you want to just sit and make chain with colorful beads, and I do that sometimes. But when you're in the middle of a project or you've created a beautiful pendant and you want to finish it and you need a way to finish it off, it is wonderful to have some already done beaded chain in your supplies ready to work with. So I was only able to get one. So I hope they do restock that. That was just really great. And then again, little small crystals. These make great spacers too, if you want to step up from using a seed bead for a spacer, but this would make the most stunning beaded bead. And if you guys haven't seen the video I recently did on the pattern with the rondelles, check that out because it's really easy, beginner friendly. And in less than an hour, I did 4 beads, I think. It's a really fast project and just beautiful. So I love those. And I got another color. Oh, these aren't rondelles. These are just faceted rounds. Another color. I love these neutral colors. As I said, they make great spacers. And what is in here? Whatever this is, I ordered at least 2 because, oh, bead caps. Yeah, I got 2. I got a quantity of 2 packages of these bead caps. Look how beautiful they are. I just love that they look like a flower. They can be used for so much more than just a bead cap. And I just love them. So you can even hang these facing forward like that as like a little charm or a dangle. They are beautiful. So I obviously love them because I got 2 packages of those as well. And then the last thing I got were these really pretty spacers. I'm going to cut them open. Look how cool they are. They're really heavy. I wish you guys could feel the weight of these for being so tiny. They have a lot of weight. They feel really good. And this would be a fabulous spacer if you are doing men's jewelry and you need to have a little metal presence, but you want masculine elements. This would be beautiful to go in that direction. But honestly, I could see this working for other things as well. So I guess I didn't do too much damage at the Black Friday sale from Beadbox Bargains, but I really love my order. But you know, I always love my order. I really have never had a problem with the quality of what they offer and have always been happy, and it's always fun to see what little thank you gift they put in. So I hope this was a fun little virtual shopping, and I hope you enjoyed unboxing with me and that you're having fun on your beading mats. Ciao, jewelry makers.